What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is it. February is here. Get your February resolutions ready. Get ready, 2019 is the year of the goat toaster. My resolution this year is to make every month a new resolution. So my January resolution was to put my first YouTube video out, and I just barely got it done. My February resolution is even more ambitious. We're taking it to the next level. I want to put out on average 3 videos per week through the month of January. I would like one of those videos a week to be a well-produced video, not just me vlogging and telling you how my day is. I want it to be a more specific content driven, whether it's a review or a tutorial or a spec talk through that we go through, and I tell you about why I picked a camera I picked because of the specs, or talk about upcoming cameras, whether it's something I own or something I look forward to owning, and really dive into more of a detailed, well-produced video. I would like to produce one of those a week, and I know that's really ambitious. I think it's a great goal because that will push me towards that. But if I don't achieve it, I know hasn't been a failure, because I think every video I put out is a new success, is a big success for me. It's just getting myself out there, producing a new video, and I'm really looking forward to where this channel goes. I got my new setup over here. I got a new light. I got a new field monitor. So this is count this as my intermission in the middle where I tell you about my new tech that I just bought. This is from FEELWORLD. I just bought it on Amazon. It's a 7-inch FEELWORLD field monitor. FEELWORLD is the brand, field monitor, and I love it personally. I can just glance to the side and know that I'm in frame, in focus. I know the shot is going well. Since I shoot on a Fujifilm X-T2, it doesn't have a flip-out monitor, which is a huge pain for shooting selfie things like this, or in a studio where I don't have an assistant looking at the monitor to tell me when the camera just turns off, because the Fuji only films for 10 minutes. But with a field monitor, I know when I'm in shot, and framing a shot is way easier. Before I would start the camera, come sit down, try to square myself up, then go back to the camera, turn it off, have to review the film and make sure I was in line, make sure I wasn't getting my head cut off or the bottom off, make sure I was even in focus at all, and trying to just judge with how I thought the lens looked, with whether I was off-centered or perfect centered or over to the right. And it was really difficult. It would just take my filming, it would take hours to do what should have taken 10 minutes to shoot a shot, because every new shot I would recheck and have to redo a lot of things. I would have to just redo because it was simple framing that I was messing up on. But now with a field monitor, it was cheap. The whole rig was about $100 to get the cord, the monitor, and a stand. I have it put on a simple light stand that has a 1/4-inch screw top to it. You just thread it on there, and now I have it set up right to my edge. So if you ever see my eyes dart to the side real quick, it's to make sure I'm still in frame, make sure the thing is still recording. And I've only used it for a couple shots right now, and I already love it so much.